أهلا وسهلا, welcome back to Learn Arabic with Manar. A while ago we saw ma as a negation, but we saw it also in another lesson when we talked about بعد ما after and قبل ما before. And some of you asked, is ma a negation or it's not a negation? So today we will talk about ma with all the different ways to use it and when it means negation and when it means different things. Yalla, let's start. We saw ma as a negation in the lesson when we talked about when to use ma, mu and mish. You could check it over there if you didn't see it yet. So when we have ma alone by itself before verbs, present, future, past or any tense of verbs, it is a negation. Like for example, سمعت, I heard. ما سمعت, I didn't hear. رحت, I went. ما رحت, I didn't go. عم آكل, I'm eating. ما عم باكل, I'm not eating. So when ma before the verb by itself, so it is a negation. We saw it also in linking words, and you could check it this lesson here when we used قبل ما. قبل by itself, it means before. We could use قبل and بعد after. قبل before, بعد it is after. We could use them by themselves when we are using them with nouns. But when we are using قبل and بعد with verbs, we can't say قبل and after put the verbs. We need something to link the word with the verbs, and here we need ما. So we say قبل ما تروح, before you go. I can't say قبل تروح. It doesn't sound right in Arabic, but you could say قبل الأكل, before food. قبل الأكل, but when you are using قبل and بعد, قبل before, بعد after, with verbs you need ما. قبل ما تروح خبرني, before you go, tell me. Also بعد, I use it by itself before noun, so I would say بعد الاجتماع, after the meeting. But when I'm using it with verbs, I need ما. بعد ما تخلص حاكيني, after you finish, talk to me. قبل ما تروح, بعد ما تخلص. We use ما also after the question words كيف, how, شو, what, إمتى, when, where, mean, who. And it will change the meaning from, for example, كيف, how. And when I will say كيف ما, now it will be however. كيف, how. كيف ما, however. شو, it is what. شو ما, whatever. إمتى is when. إمتى ما, whenever. When, it is where. When ما, wherever. Who, it is mean. Mean ما, it is whoever. So it will come after the question words and it will be like adding ever to the question words in English. Let's see some examples to understand them more. So if you want to say, however I do the cake, it won't succeed. In Arabic you will say, كيف ما بعمل الجاتو ما بينجح. كيف ما, however. بعمل, I make. الجاتو, the cake. ما بينجح, it doesn't succeed. So here we have كيف ما, however. But we have also ما بينجح. ما alone, it means negation. It doesn't succeed. كيف ما بعمل جاتو ما بينجح. Now with شو, what. If I would say شو ما, now it means whatever. If you want to compliment someone and you want to say whatever you wear, it suits you. In Arabic you will say شو ما بتلبسي بيلبقلك. شو ما, whatever. بتلبسي, you wear, feminine. بتلبس is the masculine. بيلبقلك, it suits you. It goes well on you or it looks nice on you. بيلبقلك is the masculine. شو ما لبستي بيلبقلك. Whatever you wear, it looks nice on you. إمتى is when. إمتى ما whenever. For example, whenever I call him, he's asleep. إمتى ما اتصلت فيه بيكون نايم. إمتى ما whenever اتصلت فيه I call him بيكون نايم he's asleep. إمتى ما اتصلت فيه بيكون نايم. When it is where. When ما wherever. Wherever I put my keys I can't find them. وين ما بحط مفاتيحي ما بلاقيهن. وين ما wherever بحط مفاتيحي I put my keys ما بلاقيهن I can't find them. وين ما بحط مفاتيحي ما بلاقيهن. Mean is who. Mean ما whoever. Whoever read the novel liked it. مين ما قرأ الرواية عجبته. مين ما whoever قرأ read الرواية the novel عجبته liked it. مين ما قرأ الرواية عجبته. So whenever you hear ما after the question words كيف, شو, إمتى, when mean, it doesn't mean negation. Also, we use ma after a group of small words and ma will come after them to change their meaning, and they are مثل like, مثل ما as, كل every, كل ما every time, أول first, أول ما as soon as, وقت time, وقت ما when, بين between, بين ما while, add much, add ما as much as. Let's see them in examples so we understand how to use them. As I expected happened. مثل ما توقعت صار. مثل ما here it means as. توقعت I expected صار happened. مثل ما توقعت صار. كل ما it is every time. So every time I eat I feel sleepy. كل ما باكل بنعس. كل ما every time. Here in Arabic we don't have the word time, but the meaning of كل ما it has the understanding of every time. كل ما باكل I eat. بنعس I feel sleepy. كل ما باكل بنعس. أول ما as soon as. As soon as you arrive talk to me. أول ما توصل حاكيني. أول ما as soon as. It means the first thing when you arrive talk to me. أول ما توصل you arrive. حاكيني talk to me. أول ما توصل حاكيني. We use also وقت ما it means when. وقت ما توصل حاكيني I could use it also instead of أول, but in وقت ما it doesn't mean like the first thing that you have to do is to call me. Here it means when you arrive talk to me. It's not the first thing, it's not like a priority. أول ما it means the first thing you do to talk to me. وقت ما توصل حاكيني. When you arrive you could call me. بين ما while. So while something is happening, something else is happening at the same time. While you serve the food, I will prepare the table. بين ما تسكب الأكل لحضر الطاولة. بين ما while تسكب الأكل you serve the food. لحضر الطاولة I will prepare the table. بين ما تسكب الأكل لحضر الطاولة. Add ما as much as. As much as I hear this song I don't feel bored of it. قد ما بسمع هاي الغنية ما بمل منها. قد ما as much as. بسمع I hear هاي الغنية this song ما بمل منها I don't feel bored of it. ما بمل I don't feel bored. ما here is a negation. ما بمل منها from it. قد ما بسمع هاي الغنية ما بمل منها. Another common way of using all the phrases that we just did, كيف ما, إمتى ما, مين ما, all this, to say with using them with بدك and بتحب, want and like. So to say whatever you like, whenever you like, as you like. So for example, someone is asking you, how would you like the chicken, fried or grilled? And you want to say, as you like. You will say كيف ما بدك to a man, كيف ما بدك to a woman. Here we use with the same way كيف ما بدك, we could just say مثل ما بدك and it will mean the same. كيف بتحب الدجاج, مشوي ولا مقلي, كيف ما بدك. Or what would you like to have for dinner? شو بتحب تتعشى, شو ما بدك. Whatever you like, شو ما بدك, شو ما بدك. Also, when will we go to the movies? إمتى رح نروح على السينما? إمتى ما بدك. Whenever you want. Here it's the same, we use وقت ما. إمتى ما بدك, وقت ما بدك. Wherever you want. When ما بدك to a man, when ما بدك to a woman. When حط الأغراض, where should I put the things? When ما بدك, when ما بدك, wherever you like. However you like, مين ما بدك, مين ما بدك. Who should I invite to the party? مين أعزم على الحفلة, مين ما بدك. If you want to say as much as you want, قد ما بدك to a man, قد ما بدك to a woman. How much chocolate can I take? قديش فيني آخد شوكولا, قد ما بدك, as much as you want. I hope this made it clear for you when ma is a negation and when it is an emphasizing word. If you have any question, leave me a comment and I will answer you. Now let's go over our words for today.
I heard سمعت. I didn't hear ما سمعت. I went رحت. I didn't go ما رحت. I'm eating عم آكل. I'm not eating ما عم باكل. Before قبل ما. After بعد ما. Before you go قبل ما تروح. Before food قبل الأكل. After the meeting بعد الاجتماع. After you finish بعد ما تخلص. How كيف. However كيف ما. What شو. Whatever شو ما. Where when. Wherever when ما. When إمتى. Whenever إمتى ما. Who mean. Whoever mean ما. However I make the cake it won't succeed. كيف ما بعمل الجاتو ما بينجح. Whatever you wear it suits you. شو ما لبستي بيلبق لك. Whenever I call him he is asleep. إمتى ما اتصلت فيه بيكون نايم. Wherever I put my keys I can't find them. وين ما بحط مفاتيحي ما بلاقيهن.
Whoever read the novel liked it.
مين ما قرأ الرواية عجبته. Like مثل. As مثل ما. Every kill. Every time kill ما. First أول. As soon as أول ما. Time وقت. When وقت ما. Between بين. While بين ما. Much قد. As much as قد ما. As I expected happened. مثل ما توقعت صار. Every time I eat I feel sleepy. كل ما باكل بنعس. As soon as you arrive talk to me. أول ما توصل حاكيني. When you arrive talk to me. وقت ما توصل حاكيني. While you serve the food I'll prepare the table. بين ما تسكب الأكل لحضر الطاولة. As much as I hear this song I don't feel bored of it. قد ما بسمع هاي الغنية ما بمل منها. How do you like the chicken, grilled or fried? كيف بتحب الدجاج، مشوي ولا مقلي؟ As you like، كيف ما بدك masculine، كيف ما بدك feminine. What would you like to have for dinner؟ شو بتحب تتعشى؟ Whatever you want، شو ما بدك masculine، شو ما بدك feminine. When are we going to the movies؟ إمتى رح نروح على السينما؟ Whenever you want، إمتى ما بدك. Whenever you want، وقت ما بدك. Where should I put the things؟ وين حط الأغراض؟ وين ما بدك masculine، وين ما بدك feminine. Who should I invite to the party؟ مين أعزم على الحفلة؟ Whoever you want، مين ما بدك masculine، مين ما بدك feminine. How much chocolate can I take؟ قديش فيني آخد شوكولا؟ قد ما بدك masculine، قد ما بدك feminine.
Thank you for joining me today. If you liked today's video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more Arabic lessons, you could check it over here or over there. See you there. Yalla bye.